presidential campaign in the country's history has come to a close, and in just over 24 hours from now, the baton passes to the voter. Some 22 million of them will very shortly have to decide where next, and indeed, who next. Good evening. This is Kenya's Choice 2022, our general election coverage flagmast. And as we set sail, we welcome you to the Citizen TV Election Center, newly constructed and fully equipped with the latest broadcast technology to bring you the election coverage in a way no one else can. I am Yvonne Okwara.
That's right, Yvonne. You simply cannot make this stuff up. Elections in Kenya are, from every perspective, strenuous, taxing, grueling, trying, exhausting, you name them. And from the media perspective, elections constitute the most demanding and the most expensive news assignment. And tonight, we embark on that assignment in earnest. I'm Jeff Koinange.
Months of campaign footwork have now come to a standstill, and our vast news gathering network shifts attention to polling stations across the country. Our reporters, anchors, and correspondents are standing by across all the 47 counties in the country. From their varied locations, they shall feed the election center with, among other pieces of information, crucial election data. I'm Lillian Muli.
And elections are almost entirely about numbers. Our magic wall here is packed with petabytes of data to ensure that you do not miss anything about Kenyan elections, whether past or present. With 22,120,458 registered voters spread across some 46,229 polling stations, our magic wall here will, in the coming hours, be awash with some really interesting data. And I mean really interesting data. So far, you will see that everyone has scored zero votes cast in their favor. My name is Sam Gituku.
Now, if we haven't caught your attention just yet, let me show you something very interesting. And I'm not sure I'm allowed to show you just yet, but I'm going to do so anyway. You see, the IEBC gave the media a challenge to collate and tally election results. The Raw Media Services has responded in elaborate fashion on these workstations. Well-trained data entry clerks will be receiving results from the 47 counties, the 291 constituencies, the 46,229 polling stations. All that information will be coming here for our teams to process, and we'll be displaying some of those results on screens just like this interactive one. And on this table right here is where our veteran journalists and our experts will be trying to make sense of those numbers. Indeed, it is Kenya's Choice 2022, and my name is Waihiga Mwaura.
And talking of numbers, we shall be engaging numerous smart platforms to ensure each digit and therefore each vote finds its rightful place and meaning. We have also set up a field studio at the Bomas of Kenya, the nerve center of the IEBC operations, from where our teams will be leaving nothing to chance. I'm Victoria Rubadiri. Let's now cross over to the National Tallying Center, where our very own Ayub Abdikadir is standing by.
And the election will be run and determined right here at the Bomas of Kenya, where the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, has shifted base. Our studio here goes live from the day of the election and shall not be switched off until the proverbial fat lady sings. I'm not sure about fat, but I suppose The proverbial fat lady here will be the IEBC. I am Ayub Sheikh Abdikadir Abdi.
We have also ensured that our viewers and listeners will be able to follow our extensive coverage in the language of their choice. From a menu of 14 local languages, no viewer shall be left behind. Ramogi Imore, ay koru mo ke wacho ni bulpek ka jiduogo otenga bendo kunya tingo puk ngama koro tingo gini bat.
Ramogi wan emoda tingo bundo no to bende wan emoda chur gopuk. Wan ka nikech in Ramogi. E kuonde lutombulu 46,227 sami lutombulu Ramogi TV menyi nikech ma e odwa nyinga George Bati.
Mana kaka ne wasingo ni Nyakoromoga Juang kuonde chung'od bura 290 duto wakete wang'wa kendo jofwambo marwa go tach maneno ni yudogi achiel kachiel koya e counties magwa. Nyinga Lydia Okeyo.
To okwan kendwa. Ramogi TV ni kod kwith mag jofwambo mongirore. Kawang'iyo mago matimore yieroni. Ochieng Emmanuel.
Simfros Okinda.
Sharon Ongao.
Milton Ochieng Jaka Black.
Cleophas Olwach.
Joy Sodur.
Kaachiel kod Jael Lieta.
Mano a team mar Ramogi TV mantiere kaendi, a formidable team that will cover the entire nation for you. Ramogi TV is only 9 months old and the general election will be its first ever biggest news assignment. To all those people speaking Luo out there in Kenya and within the region, good evening and welcome to Yero Mar Kenya Igamara Lufareo Prareo Gareo. My name is Trevor Ombija.
Right, Trevor, how the heck of you money? From Lake Victoria in the west, we now move to Mount Kenya in the central part of the country. Muriokiwa Mushoki and Windrose Wangui, Korathi at Yakirimaini.
Inoro TV nitweharĩirie gũgũtambũrũkĩria ciĩgiĩ gĩthurano o kuma mwena wa Embu nginyagia Laikipia, kuma mwena wa Meru nginyagia mwena wa Kiambu. Inoro TV nitũgũkũrora thĩinĩ wa kaunti ciothe 10 cia Kĩrĩma.
Gĩcigo gĩkĩ gĩa Kĩrĩma kĩrĩ na makĩria ma aikia a kura mirioni 5 andĩkĩtwo mohoro mehandĩte thĩinĩ wa ceceni ici ciothe arĩ hamwe nerĩa gũkuhĩrĩirie.
Na ceceni cia gũikia kura ciarĩkia kũhingũrwo tũgũkũmemerekeria mathaa 24 nginyagia rĩrĩa gĩgatangathwo. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangeci wa Mũriũki.